Magical. If you've gone diving before, you probably know that feeling of being immersed in an environment where you're suddenly forced to silently observe. However, not everyone knows what this feels like. Our surveys show that 6 in 10 people have never seen life below water from the lens of a conservation diver, and less than 1% of the global population are divers. After all, engagement in marine sciences have historically been the privilege of a small number of people with access to higher education, specialized equipment, and research funding. Enter Diverseas, an open source asset for immersive ocean literacy. We are building a network of 500 ocean learners turned advocates through virtual dives, in person workshops, and facilitator training. Diverseas assets are catered to youth under the age of 25 and educators worldwide who are keen to bring the ocean into classrooms. Working closely with educators in partner schools, we cater to their resource needs to cover the science, stories, and societal aspects of ocean conservation. Each asset focuses on providing a space for conservation heroes to be the voice of their own narrative and shine light on blue careers through 360-degree virtual reality videos, like this 30-minute online course on coral conservation that covers topics on coral bleaching and takes the learner through a virtual dive with conservation groups in Fiji and Indonesia. For every course completed on Diverseas, a coral will be planted in the 30 by 30 coral garden. This means that learners get to name and adopt a coral through our partnerships with conservation groups. This allows anyone from anywhere to contribute to marine restoration efforts. If joining us in person, learners will engage in activities guided by our very own facilitators whom we train remotely. We are working towards a more inspiring and engaging ocean through a digital representation of the ocean, which is a key objective of the United Nations Decade of Ocean Science. We're taking a holistic approach to ocean literacy. We don't just run workshops, create virtual dives, and provide lesson plans, but we also provide a space for conservationists to be the voice of their own narratives and connect them to communities of learners. We built the capacity of learners by equipping them with the means necessary for them to take their first step in ocean conservation. In doing so, we are fostering a global community of ocean learners who are guided through environmental education resources to collaborate and share knowledge in their communities. With up to 50% of marine habitats lost and less than 3% of the ocean fully or highly protected, the time is now to activate the next generation of conservationists. We dream of a more inspiring and engaging ocean because when we value the ocean, we believe we can better protect it.